Good morning. How awesome is this filter? I wanted to start off my vlog with a filter because I feel like crap right now. We are on our last day of Osaka, our full day. We go on the Shinkansen tomorrow to Tokyo, and I feel like crap today. I'm glad it's today and not tomorrow, because Tokyo is something that I'm definitely looking forward to, and yeah, I'm so excited. But I'll vlog today. These kind of look like bums. I think that's the whole point. Yeah, hopefully you enjoy this vlog. This is the noise of the recycling. It sounds like ice creams.
David forgot his... I don't know what happened to David. I actually don't know.
His bag.
But basically David forgot his bag, so he had to run back and would meet him at the pharmacy at Momotani. So we get to Momotani and we're sitting around for like 30 minutes. No David, so Winema goes after him and they disappeared, and now they've put another subway here. I think he got locked out of the house. But this ain't the first time. It's like the third time he's got himself lost or he's about left behind. So here we are, whānau, on our last full day in Osaka, and we've decided to come get these kind of beef cutlet things that you cook on here. It's about 22 bucks for 2 cutlets and a bunch of veggies. So with this one, whānau, you get your meat out rear, and then you can cook it a little bit longer, up to your preference. Just able to get a light sear, so that way every piece you eat is hot and tasty, and then you can dip it in the onion sauce or the soy sauce, unlimited rice, and then you can put different sauces on your cabbage. I found out we just finished eating here at this place across the road from that bicycle shop in Osaka. We're in Namba at the moment, so we'll put the address below. Tara, I thought it'd be a good idea to go and see all the Japanese sex dolls. Hey Tara, what do you reckon? You want one?
Squishy. So one of the hardest things about being away while your kids are still back at home is when they get sick. It's not very easy. My mum is currently on her way to A&E with Everly. I'm not going to say why, just because one day when she watches this, she will not want me to put all her personal problems all over the internet. It super sucks, and I've been really tearing up, and it might be because I'm emotional, but also because it just freaking sucks. Back at Kaana's favourite ramen place?
Yeah, just down the road from our Airbnb. We'll link the address because this place is the bomb. It is so tasty. This is the first ramen that we had in Japan.
And we've had it, this will be our third time.
This is our third time here.
Yeah.
And I had ramen in New Zealand and I didn't quite like it. But coming here, I had the miso broth and it was thick and creamy.
Oh, we've also had the fish. We've had the fish ramen
we had the
as
fish
well.
ramen that we cooked ourselves.
Yeah.
Which was also really tasty and interesting.
It was different.
It's different.
Yeah.
Really good if you love fish. But I particularly like this one because of the big fat pork cutlets that come inside of it, and you get 7. And also ordered gyoza this time, which is the fried pork dumplings to go with it, boiled egg. Oh, loving it. Honestly, I'm not too, the whole thing about world's best, but I really like the small mum pop.
Yeah, so do I.
Mum and daughter, grandma, grandpa shops that we find in these back alleys because they're quite tasty, like the okonomiyaki. And the yakisoba that we had that was cooked by a mum, grandma and daughter. That's beautiful.
And we're doing our washing too.
then we're doing that's it. So if you come here, you can do a washing 50, 60 minutes and then have ramen at the same time. The perfect way to wait for washing. Look at that. Look at that.
It's not the first to cry. Hold on to 10. That's what I intend to do. Hopelessly devoted to you.